Hello friends, how are you? Are you fine? I hope so. Friends, in previous lecture we have done Pythagorean theorem, the proof and an example for Pythagorean theorem. And in today's lecture we are going to do one question about Pythagorean theorem. What is the question? The question is, if the square of hypotenuse, it means we have given a square of hypotenuse. Okay, square of hypotenuse of isosceles triangle is 128 centimeter square. Okay, find the other two angles, sides P and B. Only h square is given. We have to find perpendicular and base also. But we have learned in previous lecture that for Pythagorean theorem two sides must be given. Let's suppose P and H are given, B will be found. P and B are given, H will be found. H and B are given, P will be found. But here only H square is given. P and B we have to find two sides. How can I find? There is a trick. The trick is in this word, isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle, it means it is a right triangle but it is isosceles. Isosceles means a triangle have two sides equal. Okay, now I am making a triangle here. Let's suppose this is a right triangle and these both sides are equal. This is a P, this is a B and this is a H, and the value of H square is given here, 128 centimeter square. We have to find B and P, but as I already said, we have given only one side. But in isosceles triangle, as I have said before, P and B are same because these are equal. So here I can take P is equal to B. Both are equal and I am taking both is equal to K. Got it? Okay. So now we have a Pythagorean formula or theorem which is equal to H square is equal to P square plus B square. And this is the K, so that is the K square, and this is the K, so this is the K square, and this is the H square. So this is the H square and this will be 2K square. Got it? Now we know that H square means the square of hypotenuse is given 128. So this is the 2K square. Now dividing both sides by 2, this 2 will be cancelled and this will be what? 64. So K square is equal to 64. I can also write this as K square is equal to 64. By giving under root both sides, I will find K only because these both will be cancelled, under root and power 2, and here will be 8. The value of K will be 8. And we know that P is equal to K, also B is equal to K. So the value of P is equal to 8 and B is also equal to 8. Now verification. You can also verify it. How you verify? You know that H square is equal to P square plus B square, and this one is 128 and this is the A and B are B and P are 8 square. 8 square. So this will be 64 and 64 and this will be 128 and 128. So verified. Students, I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and stay connected for more videos.